Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Chevrolet Tahoe, 2007 to 2014? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe protects essential engine, lighting, and electrical circuits. It features a well-organized layout of fuses and relays for easy identification, inspection, and replacement. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2008 to 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe safeguards key engine, lighting, and electrical circuits. It has a clear, organized layout of fuses and relays for easy identification, inspection, and replacement. The auxiliary engine compartment fuse block, hybrid, in the Chevrolet Tahoe, 2008 to 2014, is located near the main fuse box under the hood. It houses additional fuses and relays specific to the hybrid system, supporting electric drive components and high-voltage functions. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe is located on the driver's side edge of the dashboard, accessible when the doors open. It houses fuses that protect features like interior lights, power windows, locks, mirrors, and audio system. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2008 to 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe is located on the driver's side of the dashboard, revealed when the doors open. It contains fuses for interior functions, such as lights, power accessories, mirrors, windows, and the entertainment system. The center instrument panel fuse box in the 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe is located beneath the driver's side of the instrument panel, near the steering column. It houses relays and fuses for functions like power seats, windows, and other interior electronics. The center instrument panel fuse box in the 2008 to 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe is positioned under the driver's side of the dashboard, close to the steering column. It contains relays and fuses for various interior features, such as windows, seats, and convenience systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.